You think it's stupid to steal typewriters? Well, how about stealing replicas? This is the bizarre tale of the Antique Typewriter Heist. In 2005, thieves in Brazil planned to steal 70 antique typewriters from a prestigious collector. They broke into the collector's home under the cover of darkness, bypassing security and making off with their loot. The heist seemed perfect until they tried to sell the typewriters. To their shock, the thieves discovered that the valuable antiques were actually replicas. The collector had replaced his prized possessions with fakes, leaving the real ones safely hidden. The thieves were left empty-handed and embarrassed, their grand heist turning into a comical failure.